Feeling Peaky, understanding a unique English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, feeling peaky. This is a phrase you might come across in English novels or TV shows, and understanding it can really enrich your grasp of the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to feel peaky. Feeling peaky is a British English expression used to describe a state of feeling unwell or under the weather. It's not about being seriously ill, but more about experiencing a general sense of discomfort or slight illness. Think of those days when you're not exactly sick, but you're also not at your best. The term peaky, in this context, is believed to have originated from the word peak, in the sense of something being diminished or less than its best. It implies a state where one's health or energy levels are not at their peak. Understanding this helps to grasp the subtle nuances of the phrase. To really get comfortable with feeling peaky, let's see how it's used in everyday English. I'm feeling a bit peaky today, might skip the gym. She's been feeling peaky since last night. Maybe it was something she ate. Notice how it's typically used to express a temporary and minor feeling of sickness. While feeling peaky is quite specific, there are other similar expressions in English. Phrases like feeling under the weather or not feeling oneself convey similar meanings. It's fascinating to see how different phrases can express similar ideas. And there you have it. Now you understand what it means when someone says they're feeling peaky. It's a wonderful example of the richness and variety in the English language. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep exploring English, and you'll keep discovering its beauty. Stay curious and see you in the next video.